So check it out. This is how I'm charging my solar panels. Last night I spent the night boondocking up at McCarthy State Forest, which was great. So I just got back and I'm charging my solar panel with my pecron solar generator. Getting about, I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's wake her up. 71 watts, which is awesome when it's warm out. 68. She's charging pretty good. I stuck the wire through my side window here and you can see the sun's basically booming down on it. This is only a 100-watt solar panel, so that's pretty efficient. Usually you'll get 80 watts max. You'll get probably 75%, 70 to 75% efficiency from these. This is the foldable waterproof one. And it's windy, and believe it or not, it's just the right length. Put a bungee cord here. Made sure this isn't being bent too much because I don't want that to break. I'm going to try the next configuration with it laying right across the top of this and see if that produces the same kind of results. I do have an extender. I'll have to use my extender, so I'll get it set up and I'll shoot another video for you. All right, my friends, thanks for watching.